Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by prioritizing safety. You must treat the rifle as loaded until you verify otherwise, so remove the magazine and clear the chamber, then do a visual and physical check. Once safe, inspect the upper receiver, barrel nut area, and existing handguard to identify style and mounting type without attempting alterations. Make sure you understand legal restrictions and that any replacement components are compatible with your caliber and receiver. If unsure, stop and consult documentation or a qualified gunsmith before proceeding. Now focus on what to choose and why. Select a handguard that explicitly lists compatibility with your barrel profile, gas system length, and upper receiver type, because mismatches cause improper fit or function. Choose quality parts from known makers to reduce unknown tolerances and weigh factors like mounting standard, weight, and thermal clearance. Once you narrow options, compare specifications and user reviews, and prepare to have parts and tools verified by a professional if you lack experience. This prevents costly mistakes later. To finish responsibly, you should prioritize professional installation or at least a final inspection by a certified gunsmith who can verify torque, alignment, and safe operation. You want documentation of specifications for future reference. Once installed and inspected, have function checks and zeroing performed in a controlled environment or range with appropriate safety measures. If you notice binding, looseness, unusual wear, or gas system irregularities, cease use immediately and seek gunsmith diagnosis. This single troubleshooting step prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.